Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can add touch controls to your Unity project. First of all, I'm going to set up a character. So what I will do is I will import the character. I will provide the link of the characters in the description box. You can download it and use it. Now I'm going to set up my character. You can follow my steps to set up your character also. Now I'm going to press the R button to resize it according to my screen size, and then press the W button to arrange it to your desired location. We have to move the player on x-axis, so we have to give it the velocity of x-axis. Now I'm going to create a script. I'm going to name it movement. You can name it as you want. Now open the script in Visual Studio and write the code along with me. First we have to install the input system. For that we have to go to Window, then click on Package Manager and search for input system. I have already searched for it. I'm doing it again. I have already installed it. You can install it as I'm showing you. Now we have to activate it in the event system. For that we have to create a UI panel. The event system is now created with the panel. Now click on the event system and click on this button right here. Now I'm going to rename my player. You can name it as you want and open the script we have created before. Now you can follow me as I'm writing the code. We forgot to add rigid body component to our player, so I'm going to add rigid body component to my player. It will be rigid body 2D. Now we have to create a joystick. First we will create the background for the joystick and then we will create a stick in it. Now position it on the bottom left of your screen by pressing the Alt and Shift button. Now click on player and go to the script. We will add binding. We will use 1D axis. If you are making a 3D game, then you can use 2D axis components. Click on negative, then select the path, then go to joystick, select Android joystick, click on left, and then repeat the same process for the positive value, and then select right instead of left. Now click on this stick. We will add a script. Click on add component, select on screen stick and click on it. And this script is by default added by the input system. We have forgot to add the box collider on the character and on ground. So let's add these first. Now let's test this again. It's not working. Let's check what's the error.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down.
We need to assign Android stick to our stick and then we will test it.
Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Finally, it's working. In the next video, I will show you how you can change the direction of the character. Like if it's moving forward, the face should be in the forward direction, and when it's moving in the backward direction, the face should also change to the left. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment box. Thank you.